2020. A new year has just begun, and there are probably hundreds of thousands of new content creators on YouTube. Well, today I'm going to show you the things that you can use to begin your YouTube channel. The fact that it can all fit inside this bag is amazing, and I feel like let's just get into this video. In this video, we're going to go over the fact of where you should record, how you should record, and what you should do with the film that you just recorded. Let's start off of how you should record. Now, beginning with your recording, you must try and use the things that you have already gotten, since if you think about it, what happens if your channel does not do so well? Now, I'm sure everybody has this, a smartphone. Most smartphones these days come with a camera already on it, which is what you need, a camera. And if you buy a simple tripod from a normal camera, from a camera store, or even from Amazon, you can get these things for like 75 bucks. You normally get a tripod like this. They normally come in blue, black or red, and they normally come with a little phone tripod mount here. So you can stick your phone on there, and then you can, these legs are also flexible, which gives you the opportunity to put them wherever you want. You put them around poles, around tripods if you want to have extensions or whatever, and it can hold the weight of your phone, which is amazing. You can also carry it around. Now, the next thing I need to talk about is audio. If someone clicks on your video and you have terrible audio, they're going to be like, I can't even hear this oak, I'm just going to click off. Now, what I've got here is probably the most simplest thing in the world, a pair of earphones, or headphones if you want. Now, this will, believe it or not, will improve your audio quality by like 10 times, by 1,000 times, because the earphones have a little microphone over there, which will improve this audio quality. So what you'll do is you'll plug this in here, and you'll carry around this with you. Put it on your shirt or something like that, and that's exactly how you can record really, really good films. Now, the next thing that you can use is something also pretty simple. It's like a GoPro or a Garmin. I've got a Garmin over here. The button fell off and you can get that. Here it is. Okay. Now, this is very, very simple. This is the Garmin Verb, whatever, yeah. Now, for walking around, if you want to be a vlogger, this is probably a little more practical. This is waterproof and it's smaller. But the only bad thing is you can't plug any of your earphones in there, so you're stuck with this audio quality as well. Now, next we're going to talk about what you should do with the film or the recording after you have completed doing it. Now, all I've got here is a basic laptop by ASUS, and this is the ASUS VivoBook S. This laptop has been in plenty of my videos, and it has done the job perfectly fine. It's got a Core i3. We've upgraded this one to 8 gigs of RAM. It comes with 4, I believe, and it does the job perfectly. And since you're a beginner, you don't want to spend that much money because you're scared that your YouTube channel might not succeed. The Windows does come with a free editing software. It's called Video Editor. It's very, very simple. It is easy to use, and once you do succeed, you feel like you need to go over bigger, you can use something that I prefer to use, is Adobe Premiere. And if you also have a MacBook or an iMac, you can use iMovie. Now, to make your life 10 times more easier, you can get a few accessories. Number one, I recommend using a mouse. Using a trackpad will kind of mess you up in a way. I've been working with the trackpad before and editing a video. The video did not come as well as I planned, and times were off, and like the music was not in the specific locations. So that day I literally went and had to buy a mouse just for that day. Next thing I recommend is a power bank. Now, I'm recording on my phone now. That is what I record on. So I am a beginner. Yes, I am. There we go. I said it. And I carry this power bank wherever I go. It's in my backpack, and I move around with it. Very, very good accessory. You can keep your phone charged and record at the same time. Next thing you want to have is a USB and micro SD card and a micro SD card reader. This will save you a bunch. Your phone limit space is really precious. You don't want to lose it, okay? So having a micro SD card, recording it off onto here, then using the micro SD card reader into the laptop, you edit, put it on USB, when you get back home or something like that, you want to edit it and put it on, upload it from your PC or something like that, you've got it covered. Another accessory that I recommend is having your wallet with you, for it is really good. It keeps smaller things like micro SD cards, and you don't have to carry a little box like this around with you, and it just carries all our money, and this makes it look really cool, you know. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how I record these videos. Now I'm going to quickly take the camera off, and I'm going to swap the microphone around so you can hear me clearly. So now guys, I have got the camera in my hand, and if I walk back here, we're outside. Now recording outside for me is absolutely perfect, for I have a family of 6 and there is a lot of commotion and buzzing around the house. People are always talking, and I feel like there's always a noise in there because there's people playing games, people playing Fortnite, stuff like that, and that is not very good. So what I do is I just come outside, I've got a dead cat on my microphone that I'm using, and I just start recording. Before, the laptop and stuff like that was all on the ground over here. Once I threw this back here, this was over there actually, then I came and brought it here, as well as everything else on the floor. And then as I was talking, I would pick it up and I would bring it onto the table and start talking about it. Now, it is actually really hot today, so that's why I was like, I'm like huffing and puffing all the time, because like, it's like, I'm like sweating almost, it's so hot. So, I'm literally outside. There's this dog, kennel thingy was over here before. But then I just moved it. I've got a white wall behind me and then a white table, so it looks really clean. And yeah, once I'm done with something, I throw it on the floor. Once I want to start with something, it's on the floor onto the table. That's exactly how it works. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content very similar to this, leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button so you never ever miss content like this ever again. Now, I myself will be giving away a laptop at 500 subscribers, and I can't wait to do it. I'll get the person on the show with me, we'll get a laptop, we'll totally customize it, and I'll give it to that person. It is literally a 50-50 chance for all of you. The first 500 will be entered. Anyone over that, unfortunately not. So subscribe now so you are safe to win a laptop. Now, go down below and go check out my Instagram and my website. I've been working on my website for quite a while now, and you gotta leave a comment down below what I should sell on the website. Just give me an idea, shout out, what would you like to see? I'll get you a really good price, I promise. And if you want to see any of these things in that store, leave a like down below and comment down below. Now, I hope all of you have a safe and fantastic rest of your day, and go make your dreams come true. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.